Hi, Ken from BoltOnHooks here. Today we're introducing our new John Deere 1 Series tractor step. This will reduce the step height on the tractor by 6 inches. So it'll help anybody that struggles to get all the way up to the deck here or stepping up over the mower deck onto the tractor. This will fit any 1 Series tractor with a H120 loader, a D120 loader, or the new 120R loader. Basically, this step is going to mount on these 3 bolts right here, just like that. Some of the tools you're going to need is going to be a torque wrench. It's capable of 223 foot-pounds, a breaker bar, and possibly an impact if you have one, but not required. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do to prepare the tractor is we're going to detach the loader. We don't need to unplug the hydraulics. We just need to push the loader forward a little bit to have access to the loader tower here. So we're going to try our impact first, see if that'll break it. It's a 24 millimeter socket I'm going to use. This one wasn't that tight, so that's good. This casting weighs about 20 pounds or so be prepared for the weight when it comes off. After we get the bolts off, we'll take a paper towel or some brake cleaner or something like that and clean the bolts up, clean the threads out. Okay, so we just cleaned all the holes out and cleaned the bolts off. We want everything nice and clean so the Loctite can set up well. Carburetor cleaner. This is gum out. Gum cutter worked really well. Anything like that to clean up the grease or the Loctite in the old threads will be helpful. So put that aside. So we got our blue Loctite here. Put an ample amount on the threads. We still have 25 millimeters of bolt sticking out past the casting even after adding the step. So there's 16 millimeter bolts, so we still have plenty of thread engagement. So there's no need to add longer bolts to this. So hold this up. Get the first bolt started. Our second one started. There we go. Okay, we'll run them down. You can use a ratchet or whatever you have. I'm just going to use the impact wrench. Okay. So finally we're going to torque the bolts. I have the wrench set already to 223 foot-pounds. So that's what the spec is in the John Deere manual for these bolts. A little bit at a time. One, two, and 3. So now they're all torqued. You can go ahead and remount your loader. Okay, now that we have everything back installed and the bolts torqued properly, you can see that there's no interference with the mower deck. It's completely raised up right now. So there's still a good step to step up without interfering with the deck or stepping on the deck. We have reduced our step height from 20 inches. The deck height is about 20 inches, maybe 21, 20 and a half, down to about 14 inches. So we reduced our step height by 6 inches. to get onto the machine. There's these 4 anti-skid surface dimples here, so you won't slip off. Nice wide area to support your foot if you're wearing large boots or whatever. So that's it. That's all. It's very simple installation. If you have the proper tools, a 24mm socket, a large impact wrench or breaker bar, and a torque wrench capable of 232 foot-pounds. So the step is very simple. It's very strong. You can put about 500 pounds on that step without any deflection whatsoever. And again, the bolts are plenty long enough. They're 90mm bolts right now, and we still have over an inch of, or about 25mm of thread engagement into the casting. So there's no need to add longer bolts to this assembly. Thank you for watching. We appreciate the support everybody gives us. And thank you to Mike for letting us borrow his tractor to install the step on. And we'll see you next time. We have some more products coming soon. Thank you.